Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here. Next one is on top of the screen right here, and that's basically all of the speakers. Now, to determine if that's a stereo speaker, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. So let's try it out. So I can already confirm that this device does have the stereo speakers, as the sound was coming from a bottom speaker and a top speaker at the same time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.